Hi, Ella. What are we gonna do? Dye Easter eggs? What's tomorrow? What? You get to wear your flower dress? Why? It's Easter. And the Easter Bunny's coming while you're sleeping, right? Hi, Dad.
Hi.
What are we gonna do?
Gonna dye Easter eggs. 2010. I was 3. I feel like I'm 75. Did you tell
Hold on, Ella.
Did you tell the viewers what I did all day?
Painted the shutters.
What color?
White.
On our what color house?
Brick. Can we not talk about that? Anyway, Ella told you to make a funny face.
Funny face. I'll make the one that her moms make all the time.
Which is?
Love you.